Okay, we are going to apply some colors to this model. Let's, reduce this edge with S, not that much. I pressed Alt S. Now, again, I'm just adding some colors here. Create some materials. Go to material preview, here mode, and just paint this thing. Keep it easy. On roughness, like that, and same for this one. Okay. Now the cube, new material, any color you like, like the Pink Floyd song. Any color you like. What about this? New color, pink. Like that. Now this part needs to be different. So let's go to edit mode, X-ray, face selection with 3. Right orthographic view, and new material. New material, yeah. I don't want to think right now, so I'm just naming another, but please make sure to annotate, name your resources in a good way, because it will help you in the future. Now here, which one should be? Why are these other changing colors? Still sync. Yeah, and we have everything painted. These internals also changed color, and we didn't select them. Let's go to edit mode, and for example, try to fix that. With going to right orthographic view, again selecting this, and select invert selection. Where is it? Okay, invert selection. Now material tree and assign. Now it should be ready now. Now we fix this. Okay, and the thing is painted. The baby pacifier is ready for the robot to grab it. Thank you very much, and see you in any other video. Bye.